Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your device and Android version so you know compatibility. Open Settings and go to About. Note the build number. Once done, install the old-style keyboard app, either from Play Store or by sideloading an APK. If sideloading, make sure to allow Install Unknown Apps in Security, then grant permission to your browser or file manager. You do this now because permissions block installation later, and it prevents interruptions during the next configuration steps. You now change the active keyboard. Go to Settings, then System, Languages and Input, and choose On-Screen Keyboard. Once there, tap Manage Keyboards and enable the new, old-style keyboard you installed. Accept runtime permissions when prompted. After enabling, open the keyboard app itself to pick the classic layout, for example QWERTY with old key spacing, or import a layout preset. Make sure to set the keyboard as default in the default keyboard menu, so your choice applies across apps and input fields. You finish by testing the keyboard across messages, notes, and browser fields, checking key size, height, and long press actions. If keys feel off, tweak preferences in the keyboard app, for example reduce keypress delay or restore classic themes. If the keyboard won't appear, clear app cache, force stop, or reinstall the app. Also verify no accessibility service is overriding input. Finally, make a backup or export your layout so you can restore this old-style experience if an update resets it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.